Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a single product to your WooCommerce store. Now before we start, I'll have to notify you there's a lot of features that you're gonna need in this tutorial. Have to have a paid version of the WordPress website. This means that if you want to proceed, you're gonna have to pay for WordPress subscription. Now, I didn't pay for the subscription, so I'm gonna say the instructions verbally, and if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to complete the task successfully. Now, let's dive into the steps. The first step is to add a new product. Now, you have to log into your WordPress by going to wordpress.com website and entering your account credentials and logging in. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard here. Now in your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce here, and then if you paid for the version, you will be able to see the products, and then go to products and click on add new. Now for the second step is to fill in product details. Enter the product name, description, price, and SKU. Use the product data section to specify if it's simple or variable. Don't forget to add product images. Now for the third step is to publish the product. Review your details, then click publish. After that, check your store to see the product live. And that's it. If you follow these instructions, you will be able to upload products in WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.